Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. I hope you miss me as much as I miss you guys. I am doing much better. Thank you for all of your well wishes. So today we are taking it easy. We're gonna be doing some DIYing for the coffee table or anywhere else in the house. So I'm gonna be using some basic things that are already in the house and a few things outside the yard. The DIYs are going to be super budget friendly, but of course glam. Please keep watching so you can see what I come up with. My first DIY was inspired by this beautiful vase from Z Gallery. It is gorgeous. $349. I got that vase that I bought from Home Goods a little while ago for $25. So I've decided to do something with it. I know the style is slightly different, but hopefully this will satisfy the crave of the Z Gallery vase. I'm going to be using a primer for that. It is the Wassilium Universal Metallic Paint and Primer Spray Paint in Gold. I have my mask and my gloves, so let's go outside for that. I am wiping it down to make sure I remove all the dust so the spray can adhere properly. I sprayed the inside top of the vase as well. Since it is really cold in New York, I let the primer dry for a full day. Then I'm gonna be using the Wassilium Metallic Spray. You can find it at Home Depot or Amazon. Link will be in the description box. Talking about Amazon, I am just so happy to tell you guys my Amazon store is up and running. I have so many beautiful things in there, you guys, and I am so happy to tell you everything that is in there are things that I'm currently using and 100% satisfied with. If I am slightly unhappy with an item, it is not in there. So please check it out. You're going to love the product. It is at www.amazon.com/shop/glam style with Dalou. Link will be in the description box. Once again, I let it dry for another day. I had this big bottle that had sangria. I was gonna throw it away, but I've decided to do a little DIY with it instead. I'm showing you guys how I remove the paper on the bottle, and it came out very easy. You can do the same thing when you're removing your tags on your porcelain or glass. If the item is smaller, you can just have it sit in some water instead of letting the water running. I'm going to be using the gold primer for a base, but if you try to do this, you can use any other gold paint that you have at your house. After a full day, it was completely dry. Now I'm going to be adding some glitter on the bottle. I got this one from Michaels. I'm also going to be using some matte patch as well for that. I don't have a matte patch brush, so I'm using a regular paint brush. I would like to welcome all of my new friends to my channel. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. And to my fellow Glam Squad, thank you so much for all of your love and support. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. And I would love it if you follow me on Instagram at Glam Style with Dalou. I repeated the process in 3 other bottles that I had at the house. Now they are all dry. I'm just gonna pat them to remove the extra glitters. On the last DIY, I'm gonna be using some branches and some dry flowers from my yard.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun.
Now we are done with the DIYs. It's time for some setup.
Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can't do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws.
I am very happy with the DIYs, considering the items that I use are items that I was gonna throw away or items that were not being used. I only purchased the spray paint, which was $10 total. The matte pouch and the glitter, I had it here for a little while.
I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like.
One thing that I noticed, once I spray paint the flowers, they were not as dry as when they were outside. They're a lot softer and looks like they will last a long time.
I dare you to be wilder.
Last but not least, this is what the vase look like.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
I love it. It looks super expensive and high-end. Glam Squad, which DIY or setup was your favorite? And please give it a big thumbs up. I thank you for spending some time with me today. Please don't leave without hitting your subscribe button and turning your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. I wish you guys a blessed 2021. May the Lord shower us with all the health, wealth, love, happiness, and peace that we all deserve. I look forward to seeing you in 2021 for a brand new video. I love you. Bye-bye. Mwah!